Hello and welcome to another episode of Inside 2HB. So this is a kitchen by 2HB Home Decor. It's a customized kitchen. So what we do actually is that usually we take the measurement and we design. When we show you the design, you like the design, we can bring your stuff to your space and fix the kitchen for you. So let's get into the kitchen. So here is the cabinet, and we have various samples of kitchen cabinets. We have MDF, we have chipboard, and they are all in various colors. So it depends on what the customer wants, the color the customer selects, and that's what we're going to do for the customer. And if you can see on the edges of the cabinets, you have these aluminum lid. That's something that's distinctive from other kitchen makers. Here you have the marble. No, sorry, this is quartz. We have different types of worktop. We have marble, we have quartz, we have granite. This one is quartz here. And you have the 5-burner cooker. We have different types of cooker. You can have the 4-burner, you can have the 5-burner, and then you have the extractor. This actually is the glass cooker. We have the aluminum one as well. Depends on what you want. And we have the basin here. The worktop is built with the basin, so you don't have to buy a sink or something. Here you have the microwave, just in case you want us to add microwave and the oven, fridge, and any other appliance into the kitchen. We can do that for you as well. Okay, let's get to this side of the kitchen where you have the plate rack here. You can arrange your bowls and stuff over here. And then you have these ones too. Yeah, soft close.